Hi, my name is Charles Gray. I'm here today with REYU, showcasing their styling range. And today we're going to be focusing on the product Fibre, where we're going to be working it into this hairstyle for a really flexible hold, medium shine, allowing me to be really versatile with the styling, something that you're going to be able to run your hands through throughout the day and recreate different styles. Now we have the hair completely washed, we have it in a damp state. This is now where we're going to be working the fibre into the hair whilst it's damp, which is going to allow me to have maximum control before we go in with the hairdryer. The style that we're going to be working is something more controlled, off the face and much tighter and closer to the head shape with soft external features. So we're going to be applying a little bit of this fibre into our hands, distributing it through the fingers and then finally into the hair. We can apply this product into either damp hair or dry hair, so it has a very, very flexible finish on the styling. As we work it into our hands, we can really smell the beautiful woody fragrance coming out in the product. We're now going to apply the product with our hands, working systematically left to right, really getting a nice even distribution. We don't want to apply too much product into one area and overload it. We want this to be very flexible and very free as we work it through all of the hair. Again, it's always nice to start small with the amount and build it up until we feel that the hair has been completely saturated with the product. So because of the thickness and density of my client's hair, it's going to allow me to introduce a little bit more of the fibre in towards the back area of the hairstyle, which will allow me to just build up the product throughout the hairstyle until we feel like it has enough of it in. The thing that I love about REYU is that it's for professional salons only. So it allows you to bring your brand to life and allows you to take control of your products without competition from online retailers. Having your own brand creates independence and gives you the freedom to set your own pricing and maximize your profits. We can now see that with the flexibility of the fibre, we could just apply it to damp hair and the client could let it dry naturally. But I'm going to show you what I would want to do when we dry the hair off and finish it. We're now going to move on to the drying process, where, as you can see, we've applied the fibre into the damp hair. We're now going to go for a more controlled look, but still being very flexible with the finish, where we're going to be having the hair off the face, exposing the face shape, quite flat to the head shape, and allowing the external length just do its thing. To create this look, we're going to be using a brush and a hairdryer on a low heat and a medium speed setting, which will allow me to get lots of control and get close to the head shape for this style. You can see that we've now finished the drying process of the hairstyle, and you can see that the fibre has given me complete flexibility in able to offer me volume in certain areas of the haircut and more flatness and control in other areas of the haircut, which is the true uniqueness of the fibre. If we want to add more sheen to the hair and increase more hold, then we can apply a little bit of the fibre into the dried hair. From a sustainability point of view, the REYU products are made in the UK. All of REYU's packaging is eco-friendly and is made of glass and aluminium, both of which are infinitely recyclable. And all of the merchandise is made of natural bamboo and FSC wood. The great thing about this product is that it's gender neutral and it works on everybody's hair. As we can see from the finished result, the fibre has given the hair a medium hold and a versatile finish. I hope you have enjoyed watching me create this look with the REYU Fibre, and I'll see you in the next one.